Hi, my name is Arno King and I'm a Botanical Guide with Botanica World Discoveries. My area of expertise is horticulture and landscape architecture, and I have expertise in tropical and subtropical plants and landscape techniques. I love visiting Sri Lanka because it is so varied. You have the tea plantations and montane rainforest, down to the lowland rainforest, the tropical gardens, you have the spice gardens, and just such variation throughout the island. Some of the standout flora and garden experiences are the two Bauer brothers, Bevan and Jeffrey Bauer's gardens, which they've passed, but their gardens are still open to the public and quite different from one another, and people really enjoy going and comparing the two. There's also the Perendia Botanic Gardens, and it's one of the most well-known botanic gardens in the world. And for tropical plant lovers, if you want to see lush growth, amazing flowers, it's a real treat. And finally, there are experiences walking in natural rainforests or in wetlands. Well, everywhere is a garden. Some of the other experiences I'm looking forward to are climbing Sigiriya, or the Lion Rock. It is one of the most spectacular former palaces in the world, and it's situated on top of this gigantic rock. Great views when you get to the top. We also visit spice gardens, where we can not only see the spices growing, but we can taste them and sample them, learn how they're used, and buy fresh spices, which I do each time I'm there, because they're super amazingly tasting, better probably than you would get anywhere else. This will be my third time visiting Sri Lanka, and I'm familiar with most of the places we'll visit, and we're going to have a fabulous time.